Hey everyone! In this guide, I'm going to show you how to create forms inside HubSpot using the full 2026 setup. Forms are one of the most important tools in HubSpot because they collect leads, signups, and customer information that flows directly into your CRM. So yeah, first open your browser, go to hubspot.com, click login, and sign into your account. Once your dashboard appears, we're good to start. Begin by clicking Marketing at the top navigation bar and choosing Forms. This opens your Forms workspace where all your existing forms are stored. To build a new one, click Create Form. HubSpot will ask you what type of form you want: standalone forms, embedded forms, pop-ups, slide-ins, and even full-screen forms depending on your needs. Choose the option that matches how you'll use it. Next, pick a template. HubSpot provides simple templates for lead capture, registration, contact forms, and more. You can also start from scratch if you want full control. Once the editor opens, you can drag fields into your form: email, name, phone, drop-downs, checkboxes, and any custom properties you've created. You can reorder fields, add placeholder text, and make fields required so you collect the right information. After setting up your fields, click into the Options tab. Here you decide what happens after someone submits your form. You can redirect them to a thank you page, show an inline thank you message, or even send a follow-up email automatically. You can also assign submissions to a specific team member or trigger a workflow. When your form looks good, click Publish or Update in the top right. HubSpot will generate an embed code for website forms, which you can copy and paste into your site. For pop-ups or slide-ins, HubSpot will activate them instantly once you toggle them on. And that's it. That's how to create forms in HubSpot using the 2026 setup. Once your form is live, every submission goes straight into your CRM, where you can track leads, automate responses, and follow up more effectively. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.